Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to resize in Creality Print. So let's get straight into it. Now first, as you can see, you need to import your 3D model in Prepare tab. So in Prepare tab, now when you have imported 3D model, just click on it, just like so, and click the scale icon on the left toolbar. Alternatively, simply press the S key on your keyboard to instantly activate it. So let's say S like so. Okay, now we will choose our sizing method. So visual adjustment, we can click and drag the square manipulation handles that appear on or around your object. So you see here. So now I can move and yeah, width, height, and so on. Uh, Now this is visual adjustment. So it's really quickly and yeah, it's simple to use. Now exact measurement. We have here also scale size. So we can type manually in millimeters directly into X, Y, and Z. Or we can also put in precise um, percentage of value to scale the object down to half its original footprint and so on. So as you can see, we have 100 here. Now if I put 50% on X, Y, and Z, it will scale uh, down uh, like that. Uh, and yeah, this is basically how we can do that. So I have for this one, I think I have small plate here, but as you can see, 50% is really big, so we can do it smaller. So let's say something like that. It's 15% and it's almost the whole plate. And this is basically how we can resize in Creality. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.